all self-made, but only the successful will admit it. We can all create. So if you want a lesson, take a listen.
Yeah. My lyrics are a form of poetry, sending a message that could feed the world some grocery. Ain't talking food, I'm talking wisdom that has potency. My intuition has led me to where I'm supposed to be, cause I am locally born and raised for the key. Key to success, help the oppressed, open your soul for me. Fighting corruption and oppression, all the sorcery. Gratification, all the nation should expose the free. While you were sitting there, eating your ho-ho, watching TV, I was working, I was grinding, ain't no fucking wannabe. And I will always see potential that is placed in front of me. Yeah, I will always fucking chase, ain't giving no apology, no. Yeah, ain't giving no apology. You hating on me cause I always win the fucking spelling bee. Yeah, there is greater things in life than fucking getting A's and B's. Why don't you break your shell and take my hand and come and fly with me? No.
All self-made, but only the successful will admit it. We can all create. So if you want a lesson, take a listen.
Walk a mile in my shoes, man, you can't even try. So I lay back and recline while it's burning in the sky.
So you service that we're heart beneath. Do I gotta play today?
All self-made, but only the successful will admit it.